name is Amna. Okay,
Mhm.
I've been in this business since now, Alhamdulillah, 6 years. Like, I'm a teacher by profession. I'm a head of department in a school.
And how many children do you have?
Alhamdulillah, I have three.
Oh,
And the
mashallah.
latest one is like now he's 12 months.
You are heading a school, then you have a clothing business as well. Why did you choose Forever?
And मुझे starting से पता था that job will not give me enough space कि मेरे जब बच्चे होंगे, मेरी जब family pursue करेगी, and
Hmm.
even if I have to move, तो वो मेरे साथ चलेगी या नहीं चलेगी, you know, मेरे लिए वो एक secure environment नहीं था. So then I start working that which are the options I can have in UAE. Forever is quite transparent. It's quite transparent. Forever shows you like you are the owner of the business.
You said you saw my pictures from Arizona. I've been to their pharmaceuticals and nutraceuticals as well, जहाँ पे इनके supplements बन रहे हैं, जहाँ पे testing हो रही है, जहाँ packaging हो रही है, यानी वो एलो को जब वो liquid form में करके और फिर वो mix किया जा रहा है और फिर bottles में डाल रहे हैं. और I saw the Arctic Sea being made. So, it was all covered in glass and everything. We couldn't go inside,
Exactly.
but they took us all around their facilities of production. So I've seen it like firsthand, and they are all on our pages. Other people can also see. So you are very right in saying that जो भी है उनका सामने है. बहुत बड़ी टीम है प्रोडक्शन की, बहुत बड़ी टीम है टेस्टिंग एंड क्वालिटी एश्योरेंस की, जो प्रोडक्ट्स को इतनी दफा टेस्ट करके or testing, they do it on human beings, not even on animals, because they have stamps of approvals for no cruelty to animal, which is very
Exactly.
important to so many people. So I think you did your homework and research before joining Forever कि ये क्या
Exactly.
company है, and that is why you've been in it for the past 6 years. तो आपको जो आपने सोच के join किया था Forever, वो आपको मिला? Does it give you the work satisfaction that you wanted with Forever?
Alhamdulillah, with Forever, what I want to achieve, I always achieve. The days I work, ठीक है, वो days मुझे produce करके देते हैं result. I really have a very good time in this team. I was always welcome. I was always there for the incentives, you know me. And वो जो warmth होती है ना, that I was looking for. So मुझे शौक था कि नहीं यार, मुझे ऐसी टीम ज्वाइन करनी है जो कि मुझे पाकिस्तान में हेल्प आउट करे. सच्ची जो बात है, that I really need to reach my own people, to help them out, to take them out of the cycle or the circle where they can be, they can be scammed, they can be trapped. So, helping others in a way, your business is giving the opportunity, and to keep your ethics very clear about it.
We're talking about your 3 top favorite products.
Okay. Yes, the first one is Berry Nectar. I love it because of its taste. Okay.
Yes.
Berries hai, and they are enriched with the berries which are very good for a woman. And then aloe vera jelly. The second one is aloe vera jelly because वो तो मेरा ख्याल है मैं उससे कुछ भी कर सकती हूँ. It's a magic in my household.
Yes.
मेरे घर में तकरीबन 3 aloe vera jellies per month आती हैं, because my daughters use it for their for any burn or something like that. I use it for my skin. Every night I use it for my skin, and then उसके वो मल्टी पर्पज है, मास्क मेकिंग के लिए, बाकी चीजों के लिए. So it's very good. And अगर इस टाइम पे मैं कोई तीसरा प्रोडक्ट रिकमेंड करूंगी ना, that will be Arctic Sea.
Oh yes.
For kids,
Omega-3 oil.
for women, and for men
who are looking into the opportunity, who have still not decided कि हम करें या नहीं करें. What would you say to them, being in Forever for the past 6 years? किसी को करना चाहिए Forever कि नहीं, और अगर कोई सोच रहा है और hesitant है, तो what tip advice would you give them? उन्हें क्या करना चाहिए?
Okay. मैं सबसे पहले एडवाइस दूंगी the ones who wants to join it, because registration हमारी free है. And then start working. Stop thinking कि मुझे box चाहिए या नहीं चाहिए. Have the box. That is your basic. आप अगर वो नहीं करोगे ना, market में इतने competitors हैं, वो आपको crush करके ना. So to get into the business, the box is a must. Have the box. Have your plan. Have your strategy. Start it up.